Hey everybody, this is DKB29A here. I'm going to show you how to get sounds on your stop motion. Here I got a fan with me. Say hello to the fans, guy.
Hello.
Hang on, I just got... That was the worst freak. Okay, so you open up a program. You get sound recorder on there. That will start up. We're going to get Loser King sounds. Just stop recording, wait for a few seconds. And when you're done with the sounds, press on stop recording, save your documents. I normally calls mine wrestling sounds so I can save it for my current animations. So you go to documents and you go to your stop motion sounds, test it, see if it works. Let's see if mine works out. Fail. Well, you can barely hear it, but it works. So sorry it's not quality, but it still sounds. So yeah, that's it. Say goodbye, Day fan.
Bye.
Yep. DKB and Day fan out.